You forget words when you speak English? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many learners face this issue, but I have great news for you. Today, I'm going to support you. I will share 10 simple tips to help you recall words while speaking English. These suggestions will make speaking smoother and more enjoyable. Let's begin. Tip number 1, think in English. Do not translate from your native language into English. If you think in your own language, your mind takes extra time to search for words. But if you think directly in English, words will appear faster. How can you practice this? Start with easy sentences. For example, if you see the sun, say in your mind, "The sun is bright." Do this daily and your brain will become quicker. Tip number 2, use easy words. If you forget a difficult word, don't pause speaking. Simply express it in a simpler way. For example, if you forget the word delicious, you can say very tasty. If you forget huge, just say very big. This method helps you keep talking confidently. Tip number 3, speak every day. The best way to remember vocabulary is to use it regularly. Talk to a friend, talk to yourself, or record your voice. If no one is available, stand in front of a mirror and speak for 2 minutes. Pick a topic like, "What did I do today?" Speak slowly and clearly. The more you talk, the better you will recall words. Tip number 4, learn words in sentences. Don't memorize only a single word. Learn how it is used in a sentence. For example, don't just learn beautiful. Learn a sentence like, "The sky is beautiful today." When you remember complete sentences, speaking becomes much easier. Tip number 5, use flashcards. Flashcards help you memorize new vocabulary. Write the English word on one side and the meaning or picture on the other. Review them daily for 5 minutes. This tiny habit will help you learn and remember words quickly. Tip number 6, watch and listen in English. Your brain learns faster when it hears English regularly. Watch English videos with subtitles. Listen to English podcasts or songs. When you hear the same words repeatedly, your mind stores them better. This makes speaking more natural. Tip number 7, repeat and practice new words. When you learn a new word, don't just read it once. Say it aloud 5 times and try to use it in different sentences. For example, if you learn exciting, say, "This movie is exciting, my day was exciting, learning English is exciting." This trains your brain to remember the word for a long time. Tip number 8, stay relaxed. If you forget a word, don't panic. Take a deep breath and try to explain it differently. For example, if you forget umbrella, you can say, "It is something we use when it rains." People will still understand you. Speaking English is not about perfection. It is about communication. Tip number 9, write more. Writing helps your memory keep words longer. Keep a small notebook and write 1 sentence daily. You can write about your day, your emotions, or your plans. Writing will make it easier for you to recall words while speaking. Tip number 10, connect words with images. Your brain remembers pictures better than text. Look at an object and say its name in English. If you see an apple, say apple. If you see a chair, say chair. This method helps your brain learn vocabulary faster. These were 10 simple tips to help you remember words when speaking English. Practice them daily and you will improve step by step. Now I have a question for you. Do you forget words when speaking English? Tell me in the comments, I'll help you. Also tell me which tip you liked the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time. Bye-bye.